Cite While You Write is the feature of Endnote Online that you will use when writing in Microsoft Word. This allows you to cite references from your Endnote Online library directly into your Word documents. Cite While You Write for Endnote Online currently only works with the Word desktop application. To use Cite While You Write in Microsoft Word with Endnote Online, you'll need to have registered for Endnote Online, added the Harvard UL referencing style to your Endnote Online account, and installed the Cite While You Write toolbar in Microsoft Word. Take a look at the earlier videos in this series for details. To start adding in-text citations and references in Microsoft Word, in Word select the Endnote tab. Ensure you have selected the correct referencing style. In this example, we're using Harvard UL 2016. In Preferences Application, in the Application field, ensure Endnote Online is selected. Check you have entered the correct email address and password for your Endnote Online account. Click OK. To insert citations in the text of your document, click Insert Citations. A search box will appear where you can type anything that appears in your reference list, such as the author name, title, year. Select the reference you wish to use. You can select multiple references by holding the Control key down while you click on the references you want. Select the Insert option from the search box. On the Insert button, there are also options from a drop-down menu that allow you to remove the author or the year. The in-text citations will be added to your document at the point where you've placed your cursor. You will also see a reference list created at the end of the document. And to edit citations in your document using Cite While You Write, select the citation you want to remove or edit, and then select Edit Citation. Make the required changes to the reference in your Endnote Online library. Click OK. To remove a citation, highlight the citation you want to remove. Select Edit Citation. Click the Edit Reference drop-down menu on the right. Select Remove Citation and then click OK. The chosen citation and associated reference will be removed from the document. To add page numbers to a citation, select the citation where you want to add page numbers. Select Edit Citation. Here you can use the fields to insert additional information such as page numbers. Enter the notation for page numbers for your chosen referencing style. Click OK and the page numbers will be added to your chosen citation. To remove the author or year from a citation, select the citation, select Edit Citation, select Exclude Author or Exclude Year using the tick box as required. To add a second citation, select where you want to insert a second citation. Select Insert Citation. Find the relevant citation and select it. Select Insert and it will add the second citation. If you have any questions about using Endnote Online at UL, contact us here in the library.